4 minus 4, 0. 9 minus 6, 3.
Yes.
You think this is how we deduct the fraction?
No, sir.
Then?
So that's why I have done like 9 into 6 and 6 into 9.
No. That's the different thing. But I'm saying this is how we calculate the fraction plus or minus.
No.
Then into 9 first. You have done like this.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you got 54. And 24 minus 36.
Yes.
Okay. You've done, I think, the same thing. L. Okay. Yes, you have done the same thing. Okay.
So is it correct?
Yes, your calculation is correct. First of all, in the beginning, I thought it is not correct, but the method is different, but your answer is correct. Okay, so 12 by 54, 6 by 54. These two are gain.
Yes, sir.
18 divided by 54. 3 divided by 9. And after that, you have done 12 by 18 into 72,000. Why is that?
It is distributing the goodwill.
Why you change the fraction? 12 by 54. Why you change it to 12 by 18?
Because I have taken the ratio as 12 to 6.
But why not use 12 by 54? Any specific reason?
No, sir.
Yes.
I have taken this step.
Okay. I'm solving the question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
By this. So you can see the question here.
Yes, sir. I can see.
Okay. So 4 is to 3 is to 2 and 5 is to 3 is their new ratio. First of all, we have to calculate sacrifice gain.
Yes.
So gain equals to new share minus old.
Yes.
Okay. Now new share is 5 by 8.
Divided. Yes.
And the second partner minus 4 by 9 minus 2 by 9.
So, sir, what is the correct method to calculate addition and subtraction?
No, you have done it correctly, no problem with that. But I'm just curious about this thing. Let's say if uh, there is, let's say, 4 by 6, not 4 by 6, 2 by 3, and let's say it is 3 by 8 and 5 by 12. If you want to add these two, what will you do?
I can't use my method.
Yes,
I can't use my method because in 8 table 12 is not there, in 12 table 8 is not there.
8 and
8,
12.
I
So
can't
I'm saying
multiply. Yes,
how you will use this, how you will do this.
I would do like 12 into 3, 8 into 5, and what the answer I'll get, I'll add them, and then 8 into 12 I'll do.
So you are saying 36, 12 into 3, 8 into 5, 40 divided by
8 into 12.
means 96.
Yes,
Okay. 76 by 96.
yes.
It will be 24. Your answer is also correct. 19 into 4, 76, 24 into 4, 96. So if you cut these two, 4, you will get 90, 24. So why not directly calculate this, then this?
I don't know that method. I forgot actually.
This method.
Yes,
Okay. Actually, this is simple mathematics. We don't teach these things to students, but let me tell you, we do like
it's
this.
LCM, I think. LCM.
Yes, LCM. We take this 8 and 12. We write like this, okay? And we use a single number which will cut these two. Means these two can be divided by that single number. So that is, I
Yes, I
think,
remember that it will be 2, then it will be like that.
it will be 4,
Yes, 4, 2,
2, and 3.
3. Yes,
Now you cannot do anything now because there is no common number you can use. Yes.
yes.
So it will be 4 into 2 into 3, 24.
Okay, sir. Got it.
So I have written this 24. Okay.
Okay, sir. And then how 9 and 10?
Okay. And then 24 divided by 8. How much you will get?
3.
3. That 3 will multiply with this 3.
Okay, sir.
And 24 divided by 12.
5.
24 divided by 12.
24 divided by 12 is 2.
It's 2. 2
Into 5, 10.
multiplied by 5.
Okay, sir.
10.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. So okay. Now you have written this into ratio. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But when we have to distribute the total goodwill, just one. Okay. Sorry. So now working note number 2, distribution of goodwill. So total goodwill of firm should be multiplied with fraction, not ratio. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So total value of goodwill of firm was 72,000. So it is 13,000. It is 11,000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And the ratio of M, who is sacrificing partner, it is 72,000 into 3 by 9. His share was 3 by 9. So he is sacrificing all of his share. That's why his sacrifice. It is 24,000.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, if you see your solution, okay, so you can see your solution. This.
I have my book, I can see.
Now, if you see on the debit side, the total amount is how much?
48,000 plus 24,000. It is more than 72,000 actually.
How much? It is
It is
48.
72. 72.
72. Yes.
Yes.
And on the credit side,
24.
24. So both side is equal.
No.
Okay.
Actually, I understood my answer was wrong in the cause of the general entries.
Not because of journal entry, you have done the calculation wrong. And the
Yes.
impact of wrong calculation is presented in your journal entry. It is shown in journal entry. So you can figure out the wrong entry yourself if you have seen it properly.
Yes, sir. That's why I told there are mistakes in there.
Yes. Now, so you have done this in correct by incorrect method. There is
Yes.
now actually I have told you about two methods and you used second method incorrectly in
Yes.
wrong method. So this is the first method that generally we have to use. Okay.
So, sir, in this case, we have to use case 1.
No, it is not case one. Actually, let's see the second method. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, in this, you have got 13 is to 11.
Yes.
So when you are using this ratio, then first calculate sacrificing ratio share, sacrificing partner share.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when you have to use this ratio,
So, I think for distribution of the goodwill.
I'm not asking question. Actually, I was saying something, but there was some noise. That's why I stopped.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So I'm saying when you have to use this ratio, then calculate sacrificing partner share first. Means retiring part.
Okay, sir.
So how much sacrificing partner share is 72,000 into 3 by 9?
Yes.
How much we got? 24,000.
Yes.
Okay. Now this 24,000 will be divided in this.
So then we'll get L's share and O's share.
Yes. So 24,000 into 13 divided by 24. 24,000 into 11 by 24. Okay.
Okay, sir.
13 is to 11, 13 by 24, 11 by 24. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now you will get 13,000, 11,000. You will see in both of the method, the answer is same. 13,000,
Yes.
11,000. Here 13,000, 11,000. So when you are using total goodwill, you will use fraction, not ratio. You will use
Fraction.
fraction. And when you are using share of retiring partner or share of sacrificing partner, then you will use ratio.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is how we calculate. So your first solution was incorrect. Actually, you have done the same thing in every.
Yes, sir.
So you have to solve the question again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now we should discuss the next topic. You will solve these questions. Yes.
Yes, I will do it.
Okay. So which topic we are discussing actually? Theory one. I think accounting treatment of accumulated profit or loss. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now the next part is revaluation. Revaluation, profit or loss, or you can say revaluation account actually, not profit or loss, revaluation account. Now, do you remember what is revaluation account? Actually, we have discussed this in our previous chapter. So what is revaluation?
Rechecking of the account.
Rechecking of the account.
Yes, like if there are any changes, making them correct.
I didn't understand. Can you repeat?
Like if there is any fluctuation in the amount, then rectifying it.
Amount of what?
Amount of the, for example, if the furniture is 18,000 and in the question it is written that it's gone to 16,000, so 1,000 difference.
Gone to 16,000, 18,000 and 16,000 difference is only 1,000.
2,000, sorry.
Okay. So if question furniture is given at 18,000 and in additional information it is given that furniture will become 16,000 now. So
The 2,000 will write it in the revaluation account.
2,000 will be written on in the
Debit side.
revaluation. But
Yes.
what does it mean?
It means writing the new amount.
Writing the new amount?
Yes.
It means there is some profit on furniture because the market value of furniture it changed. Sorry, there is loss on furniture because the market value of furniture is changed. It becomes from 18,000 to 16,000. So there is loss of 2,000. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The purpose of calculating this profit or loss is to adjust any profit or loss which is incurred in past.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so to adjust any profit or loss which is incurred in past in the old ratio between partners, because new partner or the retiring partner, let's say if partner is retiring from the firm, okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so after retirement he will get any benefit of the assets or liabilities changes?
No.
And if there is any loss, we can share the loss to the retiring partner after his retirement?
No.
No. So let's say there are furniture, you told me that it is 18,000 and it becomes 16,000 now. This is loss. Now there is a machinery also where the actual value was 50,000, but it becomes now 62,000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And there is three partners A, B, and C in 5:3:2. Now C is retiring. C is
Retire.
retiring. So, after retirement of C, if we revalue the furniture and machinery, there is a net effect. There is 2,000 loss and there is 12,000 profit. So net effect is 10,000 profit. Okay.
Yes.
Now this 10,000 should be distributed between A, B, and C in 5:3. So A will get 5,000, B will get 3,000, and C will get 2,000. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if we don't calculate this revaluation profit right now at the time of retirement, so after retirement of C, let's say after 1 year, we have calculated this profit after 1 year.
Okay, sir.
After 1 year of C retirement, we have calculated this profit. So at that time, this profit will be distributed between A and B only, not C.
Yes. Yes.
So will C agree with this, that I will not take any share? So you keep the profit.
No.
He will say that I have a share in past profit. So if there is any past profit in the business, then I should get share in that profit also.
Yes.
Yes. So that's why we need to reevaluate our assets and liabilities. Now, in the same manner, if there is 10,000 loss, okay,
Okay, sir.
then this loss, 5,000 will be taken from A, 3,000 will be taken from B, and 2,000 will be taken from C. Yes.
Yes.
After C retirement, if we have calculated this loss after 1 year, and A and B will say to B that now there is loss on revaluation, so you have to pay 2,000. Will C pay at that time?
No.
After 1 year, after 1 year of his retirement, he retired from the firm, 1 year lapsed, and now I am saying to C that you have to pay 2,000 loss.
No, he won't pay.
He won't pay. So if this situation incur after 1 year, then A and B will try to take money from C at the same time when he retires.
Yes.
That's why devaluation is done at the time of retirement, or in if there is a change in partnership.
Okay, sir.
So this is our revaluation concept. You can see there is 2 methods. Can you read the sentence written here?
1 second, sir. Yes, sir. The white line.
No, from the starting.
Profit or loss due to increase or decrease in value of assets and liabilities is past profit. Therefore, it should be distributed between partners in their old profit sharing ratio so that the partners don't get any undue advantage or doesn't have to bear any loss.
Yes. Now the next line.
There are 2 types of condition given in question related to revaluation.
The first one.
When assets and liabilities are required to be shown at revised value, and when assets and liabilities required to be shown at their original book value.
Yes. Now, so we calculate profit or loss so that the partner will not get any undue benefit. Means benefit which is not payable to him, but he's getting something. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, there's 2 situations. I'm giving you example for every situation. Like the machine value was 10,000 and now it becomes 12,000. So book value was 10,000, but the current market value is 12,000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So old value is this original value,
Yes.
and this one,
That's new value.
it's new value. Okay. So if question is saying that we have to show our assets at revised value, then it means this value will be recorded in the balance sheet.
Okay, sir.
And if we have to show our assets or liabilities at original value, means old value, then we will show our assets and liabilities at this book value.
Okay, sir.
So there is profit of 2,000. We know about this, but we will record our assets at old value. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And in this case, we will record our assets at new value.
Okay, sir.
Understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
So in case one, asset will be recorded at 12,000. In case two, machine or asset will be recorded at 10,000. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if we have to show our assets at new value, then there is some journal entry. I think you have studied these journal entries. You have written in your notebook also.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me how many journal entries are there?
For original value,
Total journal entry at the time of the evaluation that we have to study.
I think there are 6, 5 to 6.
Don't remember.
No, sir, not exact.
Okay. There is total 7 entries that we have to pass. We have to study actually. In every question, there will be different situations. So maybe we have to pass 4 or 5 entries, but total entries that we have to study is 7. The first one is related to increase or decrease in value of assets. So first 2 is okay. So increase in value of assets and decrease in value of assets. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. After that, there is 2 entry for increase or decrease in liabilities. So total 4 entries now we have.
Yes.
2 entry for unrecorded assets and unrecorded liability, means the assets or liability which is not recorded in our books.
Okay, sir.
So
6.
now it becomes total 6.
Yes.
And in the last, you have to calculate profit or loss. And to distribute this profit or loss, you have to pass 1 entry.
Okay, sir.
So total 7 entry. You can see in number 7 or 8, there is 2 entry for profit on revaluation, for loss on revaluation. So entries are different in 7 or 8, but they are based on result. Okay, so there will be only one from 7 or 8.
Okay, sir.
Because if there is profit, then no loss. If there is loss, then no profit.
Okay, sir.
So this is our journal
So if
entry.
there's profit, the the uh, employee's account will be on the debit side. If there is loss, it will be on the credit side.
Employees account.
Like if we're making partners account, actually, partners capital account.
Okay, if profit is there, then partner's capital account is credited in journal.
Okay, sir.
Revaluation account debit to partner's capital. If lost, then partner's capital account to revaluation account.
Okay, sir.
So you want to write these things or you have already written?
Have already written.
You have already written?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the format of revaluation account.
Okay, sir.
Format is also same. There is no change in the format. So revaluation account is nominal account. Which account?
Nominal account.
Nominal account. And what is the rule related to nominal account?
There's a debit all expenses and losses, create all income and gain.
Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. So at the time of revaluation, if there is any loss or expenses, then it will be written on the debit side. If there is any profit, okay, then it will be written on the credit side.
Okay, sir.
Okay, after writing all these and these, we have to calculate profit or loss. So either the profit can be on the debit side or it will be on the credit side. So only one side, balancing figure will be calculated on debit or credit side, any one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so if there is loss, then it will be calculated on the credit side, and if there is profit, then the balance will be on the debit side. And this profit or loss is distributed between partners in their old profit sharing ratio.
Okay, sir.
And this is our case 2. When assets and liabilities are required to be shown at original value. Means now we don't have to change the value of assets or liabilities. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in this case, all the assets and liabilities are revalued, but they are shown in the books at their old value. Therefore, profit or loss on revaluation is not distributed between partners. Profit or loss on revaluation is divided in gaining sacrificing ratio. Just 1 minute. Okay, so in this case, all the assets and liabilities are revalued, and we have to pass single adjustment entry and distribute profit or loss on assets in which ratio?
Old ratio.
No, in case 2, we have to distribute it in gaining sacrifice ratio.
Okay, sir.
In case 1, we can distribute it, we will distribute it in old ratio, but in case 2, it will be distributed in gaining sacrificing ratio.
Okay, sir.
Because we don't have to write any assets or liabilities. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we will adjust only capital of partners, nothing else. Okay. And for adjusting partners capital account, we need to understand one thing here. I told you that in second case, the asset will be recorded at 10,000. Yes.
Yes.
Here, the old book value is also 10,000 and it is recorded at 10,000. So there is no change in value. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if there is no change in value recorded, then it means there is no profit in books. There is
Yes.
profit, but we have not recorded this profit.
Yes.
So no profit in books. And if there is no profit in books, then what will be distributed? There is nothing we have to distribute. Yes?
Yes, sir.
If there is nothing we have to distribute, that's why we have to adjust capital of partners. Okay. So in this case also, like whatever we have to record our assets at new value, okay, no problem. But we will calculate profit or loss.
In case one.
No, in both the cases, profit or loss in second case also. In first case, we have to calculate because we have to distribute it. But in second case, we will calculate so that capital of partner can be adjusted.
Okay, sir.
So if you have seen this, the format, after writing everything, we have calculated this balance.
Yes.
And this balance will be distributed in old ratio. But in second case, we cannot calculate the balance because there is no change in value of assets or liability. So if there is no increase decrease, it means there is no profit for distribution. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. But it is in the books only. Okay. So we will calculate profit or loss, not in the written format. We will just calculate in working mode, means as a calculation.
Okay, sir.
In first case, we have prepared the account and then calculated profit. In second case, we will just add or deduct the profit or loss. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we will know the profit and then that profit will be multiplied with gaining sacrificing of partners, and then we will pass journal entry same as the goodwill, gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital.
Okay, sir.
First of all, actually, I'm seeing this from previous some of the classes. Uh, we discuss some of the topic in the class, but there are some issue that you don't understand in the class, or you face problem while solving the question. Okay,
Okay, sir.
is this correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, at the time of this explanation part, you don't, you never have any question. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if you understood every part here, then why you are not able to solve question on these basis?
Because like if we do a question in the class, it will be better. So the question I will
Yes.
understand.
Yes. That's why I solved many questions. Like in previous class, I have solved the question related to goodwill. In current class also, I have solved the question related to goodwill. Yes.
Yes, sir.
But then also, you are not able to solve the question.
Yes, sir. That it was a fraction mistake.
Yes. So that's why I'm saying that if you are not able to understand anything, no problem, but you have to ask.
Okay, sir.
I see these things actually, that in the theoretical part you never have any question, but at the time of solving question, okay, there are some difficulties that you are facing. Not in
Yes,
the
sir.
past, not in the past. Actually, it is in this 7 to 8 days or 7 to 8 classes, you can say. I have seen this.
Yes, sir.
Is there any specific issue you are facing?
No, sir, just while question, I might not understand a part of that while doing the question.
Okay. So you understand the problem while solving the question only. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I will not give you portion of reevaluation right now because we have not done a single portion. When I will solve a portion related to reevaluation, then I will give you homework. I think after that you will able to solve the portion